Welcome to FinStechs from Laura and Anthony. Get ready for something truly fascinating today.
Yeah.
A development that could really change how you handle your online shopping. We've come across an announcement about a new initiative called Agent Pay from mastercard. And, well, it's all about bringing artificial intelligence directly into the way you pay online. This really feels like it has the potential to be a real game changer.
Absolutely. Yeah. I mean, imagine AI agents acting as your own personalized digital assistants for shopping. And these aren't just, making recommendations. They could actually handle the entire process.
A whole thing.
Yeah. From finding the best deals, comparing products, all the way to making the actual purchase and managing the payment. It's a collaboration with tech powerhouses like Microsoft and other AI innovators. It really hints at a future of incredibly convenient and hopefully secure online transactions.
Okay, let's maybe unpack that a bit. How would this actually work in practice? Say you're looking for a specific item, maybe those yellow running shoes we talked about before. How would Agent Pay handle something like that?
Right. That's a perfect example. So at its core, this relies on what they're calling agentic payments technology. Essentially, it empowers trusted AI agents to act on your behalf.
On your behalf.
Exactly. To shop, compare prices across different online retailers, and then complete the checkout process, all based on the instructions you give it. So for those yellow shoes, an AI assistant may be integrated with something like Microsoft's Copilot. It could search multiple sites. Then it presents you with the best options that meet your criteria, price, size, whatever,
Okay.
and then finalize the purchase. It might even suggest the most secure way to pay. The goal really is a faster, safer, and much more customized payment experience for you.
So these AI agents are not just browsing, they're actually making financial transactions.
Mhm.
For you, what's the underlying tech that makes this secure? That seems key.
It is key. And what's interesting here is the multi-layered approach they're taking to security. These AI agents, yes, they follow your commands, navigate online stores, initiate transactions, but the crucial security component is tokenization.
Tokenization. Okay, I've heard that term.
Right. Think of it like this. Instead of using your actual credit card details for every single transaction online.
Which feels risky sometimes.
Exactly. Instead, a unique digital ID, a token, is used for that specific purchase. This means even if that transaction data were somehow compromised, your real card number stays safe. It's not exposed.
Ah, okay. That makes sense. So it's like a one-time code, almost?
Sort of, yeah. A secure substitute. And this connects directly with MasterCard's existing work in fraud prevention, right?
Does it? How so?
Well, it absolutely builds upon their established expertise in AI-driven fraud detection. They have systems like Decision Intelligence Pro.
Right, I think I've read about that. Helps banks spot fraud better.
Precisely. It's already been very effective in helping banks improve their fraud detection accuracy. Agent Pay, it extends this idea. It also vets the AI agents themselves.
Vetting the AI, how does that work?
The system is designed to identify and filter out potentially harmful or, malicious agents before they can even interact with your payment information. It's kind of like having a digital bouncer for your online transactions.
Okay, a bouncer for my shopping bot. I like it. And I understand they're working with some major tech companies to bring this all together. It's not just MasterCard alone.
No, definitely not. The partnerships are absolutely key here. Microsoft is providing the robust AI infrastructure needed to power these agents.
Makes sense.
And IBM is contributing their significant expertise in AI tools and, importantly, security solutions. It's really a collaborative effort to create a secure and functional ecosystem. Jorn Lambert, who's the chief product officer at MasterCard, he emphasized their goal is transforming payments and working with the whole industry, really, to establish standards for these new agentic payment methods.
Right, standards would be important. So, okay, bringing it back to the listener, how could this practically change things for someone, just doing their regular online shopping?
Well, imagine the sheer convenience. Let's say you need a new coffee maker.
Okay, happens all the time.
Right. Instead of spending your evenings scrolling through endless reviews, comparing features on 5 different websites, you could simply tell your AI agent your preferences, maybe a specific type, like drip or pod, a price range, desired features like a built-in grinder.
Yeah.
The agent would then just do all the legwork. It presents you with the best options, maybe 2 or 3, and completes the purchase once you approve. It really takes a lot of the hassle out of online shopping.
That sounds incredibly efficient. So the AI would, learn your preferences over time and get even better at finding what you want.
Exactly. That's the potential for a truly personalized shopping experience. It's significant. These agents could learn from your past purchases, remember your preferences. Maybe you always look for, say, eco-conscious brands or a fair trade coffee, or you have a preferred clothing brand.
Or a strict budget limit on certain things.
Precisely. It factors those into future searches and recommendations without you having to specify it every single time.
Okay, that side sounds great for us as shoppers. What about the online stores themselves, the merchants? How might this affect them?
For the retailers, yeah, there could be some notable benefits too. We might see a decrease in abandoned shopping carts, when people load things up but don't finish buying.
Oh yeah, I do that.
We all do. But because the AI agent is designed to complete the purchase smoothly and efficiently, that might happen less. The checkout process becomes seamless. Plus, that enhanced fraud protection we talked about, provided by mastercard systems, that could also be a significant advantage for them. Less fraud loss.
Okay, benefits for both sides, potentially. But this all sounds almost too good. What are the catches, the challenges they might face rolling this out?
Oh, there are definitely hurdles, significant ones.
Mhm.
Implementing this globally is a huge task. You need compatibility with a vast range of existing payment platforms worldwide.
Different countries, different systems.
Oh, exactly. Navigating different regulatory environments, what's allowed in the EU, might be different from the US or Asia. And maintaining consistent, really robust security across all these interconnected systems is paramount. And maybe most importantly, building and maintaining the trust of both consumers, like you, and businesses in these AI-driven systems. That will be absolutely critical for widespread adoption. People need to feel comfortable handing over control.
That trust issue feels huge, giving an AI permission to spend your money.
It's a big leap. MasterCard says they're committed to data and AI governance policies, which is good, but demonstrating that consistently will be key.
And this isn't happening in a vacuum, right? Other players are moving into AI payments too.
No, definitely not. You see similar explorations from Visa, and of course the tech giants Meta, Amazon, Microsoft are pouring billions into AI infrastructure generally. MasterCard themselves have invested heavily, something like billions in cybersecurity and AI just over the last 5 years. So the groundwork is being laid across the industry.
Okay, so lots of moving parts. Ethical considerations too, I imagine. AI making financial choices.
Absolutely. Ensuring fairness, preventing biased outcomes based on the data the AI learns from, that's a major focus. MasterCard mentions working to prevent that.
So wrapping this up then, the key takeaway seems to be that Agent Pay really could reshape our online shopping experience quite fundamentally.
Precisely. The possibility of AI altering how you buy things online is significant. But, its success really hinges on people adopting it, trusting it, and having that strong, reliable infrastructure underneath.
It's a fascinating development to watch. So maybe something for you listening to consider. What parts of your online shopping would you actually be happy to hand over to an AI agent right now? And what parts maybe give you pause? What feels like a step too far? Definitely something to think about. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.